Yeah, hey there. Yeah, I found a nice spot for my wild camp tonight. Look at this great view in the mountains. Pacific is in this direction, the Andes are in that direction, and this is a nice place. Yeah, gonna stay right here. Good one. This is a rough road.
Lo que siento, pienso en vivir el momento, pero invoco a mis fantasías, que son más que lo que prometías. Justo me vengo a encontrar.
Good morning. It was a beautiful night here at the spot. Very silent, very calm, nothing. No noises or something, really silent, beautiful. Go today about 200 kilometers north to a place called General, or maybe a bit further. There's an area with a national park called Azucar. Should be very nice there. And yeah, this is where I'm going today. And almost packed. I'm ready to go.
Lo que siento, pienso en vivir el momento, pero invoco a mis fantasías, que son más que lo que prometías. Justo me vengo a encontrar con vos, justo te vengo a cruzar. Ya nada pude evitar con vos, justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu
Beautiful.
mirada.
I'm a bit south of Azucar and north of General. And I'm riding like now for 3 days on the coast, and it's like uninhabited and beautiful. Nothing around. As usual, as I say, nothing around. This is why I'm here. But it's a bit cold, so I need a pullover now.
Me vengo a encontrar con vos, justo te vengo a cruzar. Ya nada pude evitar con vos, justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada, nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada. Necesitaba, solo estar conmigo deseaba. Justo me vengo a encontrar con vos, justo te vengo a cruzar. Ya nada pude evitar con vos, justo te vengo a encontrar. Sos un brujo con tu mirada.
Look at that, the different rock formations. Incredible. We're here in the Pan de Azucar. Beautiful.
Me enciende y me apaga. Hay un efecto sagrado en cada beso inventado. Sos un brujo con tu mirada. Nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada. Sos un brujo con tu mirada. Nadie escapó de tu almohada. Tenés a todas hechizadas vos, porque sos un brujo con tu mirada.
Oh, this landscape here is fascinating. We're here at the National Park of Pan de Azucar, and it's beautiful. Always a good idea to leave the ignition on, because this is perfect here. You can charge your battery everywhere here.
Been asleep
Wow.
for many years. My senses clogged by unknown fears. In this unconscious state of mind, just carried on thinking everything's fine. Now I've had a little peek, a subtle nudge, a hidden sense. In the midst of the forest I call your name. Don't know if you feel the same. In the midst of the forest I call your name. Don't know if you feel the same. My eyes wide open, my mind alert, sensing the changes that I observe. A sudden dip, the slightest shift has stirred above and watered in. In the midst of the forest I call your name.
There we go. I was just in Tal. I thought I'd get a room there to load up all my batteries and yeah, well, load up the batteries and yeah, I've been wild camping now for 4 days. But yeah, I booked the room and via booking.com, and when I was there they said they don't have a room, and I said, well, but I got the improvement that you do, and they said they do not, and then they said, okay, well then goodbye. And well, and now I set up my tent right here on the beach. Nobody's around, the weather is not too good, so hey, set up tent, and I got a pizza here. Oh, love it. Good spot, good spot, good spot. Yeah.